What up, people? What up? What up? FTM Entertainment.
Hey, yo, the pain won't last forever. In the end, we go.
Another video right now. I'm by myself at the club this morning. Just got off of work. You know, I just want to give shout out to people who have a comment on our videos and nothing yet. But I see how I'm talking about videos, views got higher. So I just wanted to say, appreciate the people who've been viewing. FTM, front the market is going to the top. We're gonna do this. We're gonna bring more videos, better stuff. We're gonna be doing more stuff. So I'm on this video, the upcoming FTM. So we got a lot of stuff coming up. We're gonna be doing skits. We're gonna be having other people on our videos. It's gonna get real entertaining. So just be looking out. Right now we just have a regular conversation, spitting wisdom, trying to better myself, get into the word, just throw positive stuff out there. We're flooding the market, bringing videos today, every hour, every second. Maybe not that much, but yeah, this is how I do. So upcoming, we got dance videos by me coming. We got more videos of us coming in and working in the gym, working out in the gym. We got people that y'all haven't seen before. There's other people that just bought the FTM, but it's only me and Alex because me and Alex is serious about this, and we just throwing videos out. So, shout out to my boy Alex. And if you see this video, I was on YouTube, I see he just shot one with him and his wife. Called Father and Son. I like that one. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of funny stuff upcoming. This is a project we've been working on. If y'all trying to start something too, just go for it. Go out on YouTube. Put your faith in God, and it's gonna happen. Just keep your faith. But yeah, that's about what we're going to be doing. FTM is going to basically be about our life, about whatever. If there's any kind of videos that y'all want us to shoot, just let me know. Any kind of questions I have, subscribe, ask questions, send messages. If you have anything that you want to involve in with us or need help promoting, just ask. We're here to help. Ask any questions, be free to ask. Boy, now we're in the month of June, so I'm saying by the end of the summer, I'm hoping we have a lot of new stuff coming up because we don't want to keep giving out the same thing. We want to mix it up with other stuff, different places, funny things, and we're going to be doing real life stuff too, like funny stuff, with people, like it's not going to be, nothing going to be set up. Everything's going to be on a random. You're not going to know what you're going to see next. So yeah, this is the upcoming of my video. Right now I just got the jams playing. This is gospel rap. That's all I listen to. I told you I laid back for that. So just stay tuned. Comment. If you have any questions, keep viewing, keep looking out. And number one, please help us promote us. Just post out videos on y'all pages and tell people to look out. So when you do that, you're part of FTM too. So you can look for me on Facebook. Look for me on Facebook. Sean Ward. You need to know how to spell it. Get his name. S-H-A-W-O-N. Ward. W-A-R-D. Once again, L-H-A-W-O-N. Ward. W-A-R-D. Sean Ward. Just type that in and you will find me. Alex is Alexander Martin. Not a spell Alexander. A-L-E-X. That's right. A-N-D-E-R Martin. M-A-R-T-A-I-N. Alexander Martin. So just look us up. Add us. When you add us, let us know who you are. if you trying to help promote, anything you can do to help with promoters, we can do it. Y'all ever want to meet up, anything, we try our best. We'll meet up, have conversations. I'm at for anything. I like meeting people. I'm not one of them stuck-up people who be like, oh yeah, I'm getting too good for other people. It's not like that. We all brothers and sisters. So I'm gonna keep it real. I keep it 100. I don't mess with fake people. People have to get out my life. So just know that I keep it real. I keep it 100. I always do too. So stay tuned. This is what we do. So, one peace, one love, out.